problems of the bandits. From July to now, we as a team got kidnapped victims close to 600 back home. Some of them were in captivity as kidnapped victims for 2-3 years. Over 600 were released without noise. Today, you can drive to Kaduna even at night. Thank you, Armed Forces, for that. Things are changing, but we do not talk. Things are improving. So back home, advisors and defense attaches, be assured things are changing, and it will only continue to improve as we move forward. We want to assure you of that. For the first time, you could go 3-4 weeks without an incident in Niger Delta for the first time for 30 years. It is happening. Today, we have returned. The production, crude oil production has risen to over 1.7 million barrels. Last year, it was 900,000. This year, we have not witnessed